So for those of you who haven't been to a teardown, this is basically putting on your behavioral science glasses. I really like having sometimes 2 calls to action for how you engage. What this does is give people a path who are different levels of commitment. This feels like a big barrier to me. People have to be really motivated. They have to be really directed and know that Square is probably a thing for them. The hope is when you're hearing these teardowns is that you're also thinking of how you would apply behavioral science insights to these websites, and that you're training your brain to then look at other things in the world with the behavioral science lens.